Hello, and welcome to 100 Hours of Healing annual fundraiser. This fundraiser is presented by Whole Self Unity. Whole Self Unity is a 501c3 nonprofit with the mission of fostering healing into wholeness through community, education, treatments. Our vision is becoming whole together. We offer classes, events, fundraisers such as this, 100 Hours of Healings, to raise awareness and funds for the integrative therapies. Integrative therapies are an and for your medical needs and attention. 100 Hours of Healing begins November 11th and runs to the end of 2022. You can purchase presentations like this individually for $5, or you can purchase the entire list of 100 Hours of Healing for $50. The link will be above or below in the comments, or you can always check out our website at wholeselfunity.org. I'm Tracy Payton, a Reiki master, a life coach, and trainer focused on energy and creativity. I help women with too much on their plate create focus clarity to start and end their day. So, this presentation is going to be on breathing, mindfulness, and meditation. Sometimes the three of those things scare us. But in the presentation, we're going to go through some breathing techniques, super simple, easy to follow. We're going to talk about what mindfulness is, why you need it, and when it can be a part of your life. And we're also going to talk about meditation. And I don't talk about meditation in the typical way of having to do things the same old same. Everybody meditates differently, and I want to encourage you to be a part of this, whether meditation is something you do every single day, you've ever wanted to try it, might be a little worried to try it. I certainly was. And I'll share some of those stories with you because really, breathing, mindfulness, and meditation are just ways to reduce stress and to just make for a more peaceful and playful experience for you. So I encourage you to come on into the presentation, purchase it for $5 or the entire 100 Hours of Healing for the $50 and jump in with some mindfulness with me. Certainly, you're welcome to comment about the presentation. We'll be able to contact us if you have any questions. And again, donating $5 gains you access specifically to this full presentation, or $50 gains you access to all of Whole Self Unity's 100 Hours of Healing content. And if you're unable to donate at this time, completely understand. We would still like to connect with you. Follow the link to access a free guided meditation. So let's do this. Let's become whole together.